Unboxing.
This arrived a couple of days ago from Italy. Wait to see what's in here. Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
Look at the moons.
Ooh, blue moon.
Oh my gosh.
It's hard to see it all in the plastic.
Yes.
So you can tell. It's good.
Look at those. And stars. Oh my stars.
Like moons and stars.
Moon glow moons.
Oh.
Look at these hearts.
Wow.
I love those colors. Okay, back in stock. Glittery moons. I got the stars in a little bit smaller size this time, which I'm kind of loving. Let's see, these are 27 millimeter. It's a great size. Mushrooms, back in stock. That's the medium mushroom. And the little baby mushrooms. I know people are on a wait list for those. Look at these red stars.
These are gorgeous.
And carved. Oh my god, that's a new shape that I got in the card. I don't know if you can see how beautiful those are, but look at the colors. Oh my goodness. And blue. Okay, this shape we've had before, but I got some new colors. Those are back in stock.
Color rainbow.
I think that's another new color. Are you doing this live or are we just
No, we're
doing
just
it?
doing
Okay.
it, yeah.
Okay.
I'm just responding. Sorry, I'm like, well, these are so pretty too.
No,
Wow.
I love it. Wow, look at those.
Ooh.
Dawn's gonna make fun of us.
Yes,
We have Dawn
yes.
here today on spring break.
Yes.
Oh, I don't even know what to say.
Whoa.
Gorgeous.
The blues and the
It's pretty.
We've had that shape before, but not that.
Not that color. Ooh, the new color of the matte moon glow. What color is that? Oh, I can't read that. Gorgeous.
Natalia, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I have to break this video up.
For sure.
Okay, glitter. And I did 6 millimeter round glitter.
Ooh.
I haven't done that before. Back in stock, 8 millimeter. I got cubes and some new colors. Black and white stripes. Let's see what else is in here.
Ooh,
Gorgeous. Gorgeousness.
And that means it's amazing.
Back in stock.
Yes.
More 6 millimeter glitter.
Glitter, glitter.
Crowns. Ooh, I like that color.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Gorgeous.
Fun stuff. Let's see how long it gets me to get it posted. Probably a day or two because I'm crazy like that.
That shape's just amazing. It's carved in that shape. It's very, it like ups the optical illusion.
I know,
sort of.
right? I almost thought it had like bubbles on it or something.
Whoa. Oh yeah. Wow.
Okay.
Gorgeous.
Fun, fun,
Gorgeous,
fun.
gorgeous. Yay.